Hello everyone, this is Rami Raiden. In this video, I wanted to share with you the different funnel types in ClickFunnels 2.0 and highlight the key differences between them. If you're new to ClickFunnels 2.0, understanding the various funnel types and their purposes is crucial to create effective marketing campaigns that convert. So, whether you're looking to sell a product, generate leads, or promote a service, this video will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the funnel types you need to know. Let's get started. From the home page on the left menu bar, go to Funnels. And from here, you can create a blank funnel from the top right corner. You can name your funnel, and here's the link from your website and the funnel URL. But today we're gonna use the recipes from the Funnels Hackers Cookbook. Here you find all the funnel types you need. I'm going to start with the first one, opt-in funnel. This is a squeeze page. The only goal of a squeeze page is to get somebody to give you their email address. It's a 2 steps, opt-in page and confirmation page. The second one is product launch funnel. Much like Hollywood given previews before a movie release, the product launch funnel lets an entrepreneur build anticipation before a customer is allowed to buy a product. This is a 3 steps funnel starting with sales page, order form, and thank you page or confirmation page. Reverse squeeze page is also an opt-in page to generate leads. Use a reverse squeeze page funnel to give before you take. For example, give away some of your best information and items before asking a visitor to opt in. Then ask customers to opt in for more after they watch the video. A summit funnel is also to sell a product with the 3 steps. Summit funnels are the perfect way for entrepreneurs to provide value and become more of an authority figure in their industry. You let people register for the summit for free and then potentially upsell them to the recordings. It's a great way to build a list and brand your authority. Lead magnet funnel is also a 2 steps generate leads funnel. It is similar to the other opt-in funnels, except you are actually giving away something in exchange for their email address. It may be a report or a video or a PDF file. Daily deal funnels are 2 steps sell a product funnel. It's famous by getting companies to make an irresistible offer to get new clients into the front door. Use a bridge funnel also to generate leads when you need to connect 2 different but related ideas for the customer, or to pre-frame the thing you really want to sell. Video sale letter funnel is great to sell products with 2 steps funnel. It has a video that makes the sale for your product or service. Video sales letters have become popular since video began streaming faster online. Invisible funnel is also 2 steps sell a product funnel, where it works by giving away a lot of value for free upfront and only charging if the customer liked what they received. It's like going to a restaurant and only paying if you like the food. Squeeze page funnel is similar to opt-in funnel. Its goal to create as much curiosity that someone has to give you their email address. The squeeze page hooks them for more information. Live demo funnel is also to generate leads. It is a great way to show off your product by you simply use it in front of your customers. This gives the entrepreneur a way to answer live questions and demonstrate their product. Use a hero funnel to showcase you as entrepreneur, your story, and build a list of followers while you do so. This funnel starts by sharing some of your bio, getting people to join your email newsletter, and then asking them to follow you on your social media accounts. For Hero Funnel with order form, you will have two more extra steps, one for order form and the other one for order confirmation. Application funnels work by using a takeaway sale, where the potential client must apply to become a client. It lets you qualify people to work with you and is used often in high-end coaching and consulting. Finally, Ask Campaign, it's a two-steps generate leads funnel. Use an Ask Campaign funnel at all stages of your business to find out what customers actually want. Typically, the open-end question is phrased, example, what's your number one question challenge with XYZ? So there you have it, the different types of funnels in ClickFunnels 2.0 and their unique features. Remember, it's important to choose the right funnel for your specific needs, but don't be afraid to experiment and try different funnels if you're not seeing the conversion you want. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments about ClickFunnels 2.0 or the funnel types we covered in this video, please leave them in the comments section below. I'm always happy to hear from my viewers, and I'll do my best to respond to as many comments as possible. Until next time, take care.